Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, me and my group will presentation about public participation in rural development planning in Semarang Regency. Before we further ado, let me introduce the name of member of our group.
Hello guys, my name is Mercy Akmal. Now I'm studying in political science.
Hello, I'm Angga.
Hello, my name is Gundili Aji.
My name is Helena Yahya.
My name is Grace Vandarista.
Produce Law Number 6 of 2014 concerning rural areas and autonomy to rural communities. The consequence of autonomy is to stipulate that the village government in preparing the rural development planning in accordance with its authority refers to the recurrency or city development planning. However, in Indonesia, especially Java, until now, not all them have reference to regional regulation of village development planning that are needed by stakeholders in the village, sub-district, or district. In fact, the regional regulation on the development plan is a very important regional policy in the context of regulation and managing regional household affairs. Regional regulations are very important and strategic because they become reference and guidelines for public service, development to grow the people economy, and provide protection to the community.
Research method. This research designed using the CIPP model, which is product oriented. This research conduct an analysis on context and input. The purpose of the researcher choosing this method is to be used clarifying the model of village development planning in Java. Some of the things that are needed include the form of strategy developed, the implementers and assistant needed, the stage that must be passed, and the simple flow framework regarding data engagement and community ID extraction. The expectation was carried out by the in-depth interview method with several informants who were considered to represent to the community being studied.
Result and discussion.
Understanding participation development planning at the local level. Turner and Halmel, 1977 to 132 explain that planning is a consequence and continuous and organized effort to choose the best alternative available in order to achieve specific goals. Martin et al. 2014 described participation in development planning through unconventional forums, for example, online forums. Grendel mentioned that in practice, policy planning not merely an administrative problem, but rather political process in it. Another important aspect in policy planning in regarding the text and the context of development that will be carried out. Septiono 2012. Development planning is community participation. Community participation is a community movement to be involvement in the decision-making process in implementing activities actively, enjoying the result of these activities and participating, evaluating them. Up of 1992, Paul 1987, Housu 2016. Participation Participatory development is based on partnership, form, tongue, dialogue. The negotiation make precedence over unilateral discussion by the government, and also the community is treated and as an actor rather than as a user. OECD 1019 1904 Participator village development planning is model of development planning that the government delegates to village community to actively involve themselves in the fight in the fighting problems and participate actively and evaluating in in practice the community is presented by the power of the community consisting of political groups, interest groups, and pressure groups.
Participatory development at the village level. Village development planning is arranged in a long term covering the medium-term village development plan for a period of 6 years and the annual village development plan, or what is called the village government work plan. Making village development planning requires several stages of activities: understanding of the village, formulation of policies, formulation and determination of programs or action plans as guidelines for the implementation of village development, and monitoring and evaluation.
Dynamic of development planning at the village level, a case in Semarang Regency. Steps in the preparation of village development programs plans in Semarang Regency, referring to the village development planning guidelines issued by the Ministry of Village. Disadvantaged regions development and transmigration of the Republic of Indonesia, namely Book 6 Village Development Planning in 2015. The steps in village development planning as stated above as a process can be interpreted through two dimensions. First, the formal dimension. Second, the substantial dimension, which implies a struggle for interest and the implementation of institutional function or stakeholder who play in certain structure in society. The stage of village development planning in accordance with applicable regulation and existing local community agreements. From this point of view, the existing planning steps are usually instructive. This formal dimension in social theory correspond to structural theory. In this theory, human activity are very much determined by structure such that there is no room for conscious selection. The second dimension, namely the substantial dimension, shows a decision-making mechanism, which there is implied a struggle for interest and the implementation of institutional function or even actor stakeholder who play in certain structure in society.
All stakeholders jointly participate actively in the village development planning process. The villagers began to feel the existence of public space that they could use to fight for their faith, which during the new order they did not get. What was found at the study site shows symptoms of consciousness, the importance of public space and dialogue efforts to use existing public space for all the social component of building a village is clearly visible. Among the most prominent field findings is the essence of partnership and co-development, a process of determination, a development plan that is very synchronized with implementation regional development.
The dialogue process that develops in the use of public space It began since the fall of the Suharto regime. Open public space have also opened up to the community created an opportunity for the birth of social group structure of the village in Semarang Regency. People who become administrators and members there is usually considerable chance of promoting the birth of democracy in the fate of the village development plan.
All dimensions in the procedure and step of village development planning as described above in the context of social science theory are relevant to the actual system dynamic or ASD theory. According to this theory, human choices are important in determining social action and the structural development of social systems, especially the elites among them. However, according to R. Barnes and Philip de Deville, 1918 the ability of social actors, even the ruling elite and actors, to give birth to social structure, cultural formation, and pattern of social action that benefit their own interests is very limited. Many social activities or actions are actually initiated by those who previously did not have great power.
The idea of establishing cooperative social education intuition, which turned out to be in great demand, such as TPQ or TPI, public libraries or reading gardens, and so on, was born from elementary school teacher, study group, and village youth. Their collective determination to carry out an great activity, the growth of a sense of solidarity, a sense of belonging, and a sense of togetherness that will support the sustainability of the development process and the process of mutual learning between development actors.
Consultation. Referring to what has been described, the consultation can be formulated that participatory village development planning in the context of strategic and local autonomy to be built has implications that require three conditions, namely, one, village development planning must be carried out using democratic procedure or bottom up. Two, it is absolutely necessary to change the pattern of relation between the government and the people towards a pattern of relationship that is imbued with the principle of equality, respect, and care in the process of village development planning. And three, form of community participation, both direct and indirect, should be applied at all levels and at all stages of the program determination process.
That's enough from our group. If there are mistakes, sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.